Hello, good morning, friends. I have posted something to check while taking the delivery. The one item was that the battery. So, today I want to show you how to check that after servicing at the service center or any place, your original battery is not replaced. So how would you check it? You can see the battery here. Okay, now let me show you the number here. I hope you can see it is M7E9W451903953. Okay, I hope you can see it. It is here on the right hand side of this Exide Varla battery. Varla means non-maintenance battery. You don't have to put acid or water in it. Okay, and it is also written here, sealed maintenance free battery. Okay, now here in your manual, when you are taking the delivery of the new bike, they have a page here. You can see it is written battery warranty card. So same number barcode is pasted here, M7E9W451953. So this way you can check that your battery is not changed and it's a new one which is fitted from the factory. So I hope now you won't have any problem to check whether your battery is replaced with an old one or not. Okay, so thank you for watching.